Telegram not sending you the SMS to login? Well, hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Visnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix Telegram not sending SMS error. Now, what you can do is first you wanna ensure that you have entered your correct phone number while you're trying to register or log in on Telegram. Make sure you have entered in the country code and your phone number correctly. If you have entered your number in a hurry, chances are that a few digits may be incorrect. Therefore, if Telegram is not sending an SMS code, enter your correct phone number while registering. Now, in case you have checked everything that your country code is correct and even your phone number is correct, but Telegram is still not sending the code, then it might be the server issue or it might be your internet connection issue. Check that your internet connection is proper or strong. You can switch in between your networks, between your mobile network and Wi-Fi. Or what you can do is you can go ahead and wait for a couple of hours before, if the server error, so you want to wait before trying to log in back again. So this way you can fix Telegram SMS not sending. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.